Hello everyone, I'm Saloni Ghodkhande, and today I'm excited to present my internship project, Homelyhub, a real estate web application built using the MERN Stack during my internship. In this presentation, I will share what the project is about, how it was built, what technologies were used, and the key things I learned during the internship. Let's move towards the content. Here's the list of the topics I will cover today. Overview of the project, about the WSA internship, goals of the internship, project requirements, problem statement, solution, full stack and non stack overview, architecture, UI UX design, tech stack and implementation details, key features, workflow and demo, and also conclusion, future scope and learning. So, Homelyhub is a modern real estate platform that helps people find, buy, or rent properties easily. The main purpose is to connect buyers and sellers through a transparent and simple web platform. The focus was on creating a clean and responsive UI, building a secure backend, ensuring fast data access, and smooth browsing. In short, it's a user friendly digital space for all property related needs. About WSA MERN Stack Internship. This project was built during my WebStack Academy MERN Stack Internship, which focused on end-to-end full stack development. It gave me practical experience in front-end, React.js for designing UI components and routing, backend, Node.js and Express.js for API development and logic, database, MongoDB for data management, deployment, Netlify for frontend and render for backend, and libraries and tools used. This internship helped me understand how real world applications are built, connected, and deployed. So, goals of the internship were to get practical knowledge of full stack development, to apply Monstack in a real project, to create scalable and user friendly interfaces, to understand REST APIs and backend integration, to enhance debugging, collaboration, and deployment skills. These goals help me grow both technically and professionally. Let's look at the project requirements, functional requirements, property listing and browsing, search and filter options, contact or inquiry section for buyers and sellers, non-functional requirements, performance and scalability, secure data handling, responsive design, and clean and aesthetic user experience. These requirements acted as the foundation for the project. Here is our problem statement. Many property websites today have unverified listings, confusing interfaces, and reliable data. Users struggle to find trustworthy information. The main challenge was to create a simple, secure, and user focused real estate platform that makes the property search process easier and faster. Here is our proposed solution. The solution was Homelyhub, a one-stop web platform for property exploration. It offers a modern and clean interface, easy property browsing and comparison, secure backend with MongoDB integration, and fast data loading for smooth performance. The goal was to make property discovery transparent and effortless. Before going deeper, let's quickly understand what full stack development means. It includes both front end and back end. The part users see and interact with is front end, and the backend is the part that manages databases, APIs, and logic. A full stack developer works on everything: designing, coding, connecting, and deploying the entire web application. Introduction to MERN Stack. The MERN Stack stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, in which MongoDB used for database to store data, Express.js framework and for APIs, React.js for building the user interface, and Node.js for backend. The main benefits are: uses one language, JavaScript throughout. It's fast and scalable and modern, perfect for building real world web apps. MERN gave me a complete ecosystem to work efficiently. Here's the how system works. The user interacts with the front end built using React. Then the front end sends APIs request to the backend built with the Node.js and Express. Then the backend connects to MongoDB Atlas to fetch or update data. Then the response is sent back to the front end and displayed instantly. This ensures a fast time and seamless experience for the user. Okay. The design of Homelyhub is based on the simplicity, clarity. The color scheme and typography are consistent throughout the site, giving it a professional look. It's fully responsive, which means it works perfectly on mobiles, tablets, and desktops. Main pages include the home page and the featured listing. As you can see, this is the property listing page. This is the property listing page in which these are the information about each property. This is the booking page and this is the user login page. Okay. Now coming to the tech stack used in Homelyhub. For the front end, I used React.js to build an interactive and responsive UI. For the backend, I use Node.js and Express.js to create secure APIs and handle requests. For databases, I used MongoDB Atlas, which is cloud-based, scalable, and easy to connect with the backend. I also worked with the libraries and tools like Redux Toolkit for managing state, GSAP for animations, Mailtrap for testing emails functionality, and Razorpay for payment. This made the application smoother, interactive, and closer to the real world standard. Here are the implementation details. Let's talk about how it was implemented. Front end built with real components, built with React components and routing using React Router. CSS was used to make it responsive and attractive. Backend developed with Express.js, routes, and RESTful APIs for handling data, and database managed with MongoDB Atlas for users and property listing. The combination of these three layers help build a smooth and reliable system. Here are the key features of the Homelyhub. Fully responsive design, property search and filtering, dynamic content rendering, secure backend integration, and fast hosting and performance. These features ensures a great user experience across all devices. Here's the how the workflow goes. A user visits the Homelyhub website, then React sends API request using access or fetch. Then the Node.js backend processes the request and interacts with MongoDB. Processed response is returned to the front end. and the data is sent back to the display on the website instantly. This is real-time workflow makes the platform smooth and interactive. Homelyhub is a fully functional full-stack web app application built using the MERN stack. It shows my understanding of both the technical and design parts of web development. Through this project, Through this project, I learned how to build, deploy, and manage a real-world web application end to end. Future scope in future scope In the future, I plan to improve Homelyhub by adding property verification, authentication, and dashboards, and AI-based property suggestions and map integration and online payment options. Learnings from the internship are during this internship, I learned how front end and back end connect in real time, how to manage API and databases effectively, how to design responsive and user friendly UIs, and how to use GitHub for teamwork and version control. It gave me the confidence to handle full stack projects independently. Thank you. Now let's have a look towards the project. Okay. So this is the Homelyhub website which I created during my WSA MERN Stack internship. As you can see, this is the home page and this has a clean, modern and responsive design built using React.js. At the top, this is the navigation bar with options. This is the home tab. If you click on this, home page reloaded, and if you search something here, like I search here that Goa, so it will give you the that particular searched destination. Then from here you can add the start date and the end date according to you. From here you can add the number of guests like 8, 4 or anything you want. Okay. This page is designed with user experience in mind, simple colors and modern fonts. Okay. So if you click on this particular property, you can see that here is the information about this particular destination, and here you can see that here is the map where you can see the location. This is the extra information, and from here you have to book the destination. Okay. For booking, you have to first register. This is our login page. Let's register. Okay. So book anything. We have to first log in to our account, or if you are a new user, you have to register. So let's log in. Here we are logged in as this is the my profile section in which you can see my name, email address, and the date I have joined on. From here you can edit the profile. You can also update the photo. Like you can choose from the browser. Okay. From here you can add the filters like you can change the price range, property type you can choose any, room type you can choose the entire home room or any type, and in amenities you also choose the Wi-Fi, AC, TV, free parking, and whatever here options you want. So let's see, like here I choose this. As we applied the filters here, apply filters, no filters found. Okay. Here you, as you can see, after applying the filters, as I applied the type for the type, which is in hotel type, which is a hotel. So as you can see that so this is the filters section in which we can apply the filters like price range, property type, room type, amenities, everything you want here you can choose from here and then apply filters like I choose hotel property type, and then you can see that here are some properties that are hotels. Okay, and now you okay from here we can book the property or hotel. So here is the end date and the start date. Number of guests, your full name, phone number, and from here you are proceeding to the payment. It processed. Yeah. From here in my account you can see my bookings. Like I have booked this place. Total price is 15,000 for I guess 4 to 5 peoples. And here in my accommodation section you can add the new place as you want. Here you can add the information about the accommodation place you want, and it's all about the Homelyhub web application. So thank you.